Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Shaurak's classes. Just look at the screen and we have taken this question from the UPSC ISS Statistics Paper 2 2026 paper. Okay. Now, one characteristic feature of the ISS Statistics Paper 2 is that it frequently tests the fundamental statistical concept rather than the difficult calculations. And topics such as the efficiency of the estimators, unbiased estimation, sufficiency, completeness, MBUE, and the name and Pearson lemma appear regularly. And today's question is based on the relative efficiency, one of the most important concepts in the estimation theory. And if you understand the definition carefully, you can answer such questions within a few seconds. Okay. Now let's read the question. Let T1 and T2 be two unbiased estimators for a parameter theta such that E theta of Ti squared, this is less than to infinity, I equal to 1, 2, and if the efficiency of T1 relative to T2 is theta 0 into E0, E theta into T1 by T2, that is variance of this, then which of the following is correct? Okay. And we are given 4 statements. All right. Now, before solving, let us recall a very important definition. Suppose we have two unbiased estimators of the same parameter. Which one is better? The answer is simple. The estimator having smaller variance is considered more efficient because it fluctuates less around the true parameter. So remember, lower variance means higher efficiency. And everything in today's question revolves around this one idea. Okay. Now, whenever you hear the word efficiency, don't think about formulas first. Think about precision. Imagine two arcs aiming at the same target. One shoots arrows very close together, and the other shoots arrows scattered everywhere. So the first one is more efficient because there is less variation. So similarly, smaller variance means greater efficiency. Okay. Now, the question already gives us a definition. This is variance of T2 by variance of T1. Right? Now notice something interesting. The numerator contains the variance of T2 and the denominator contains the variance of T1. So ask yourself, what happens if E theta T1 by T2 is greater than 1? That means variance of T2 by variance of T1, this is greater than 1. So we can say variance of T2, this is greater than variance of T1. And since smaller variance means better estimator, we conclude T1 has the smaller variance. So hence T1 is more efficient than T2. Okay. The relative efficiency is simply comparing two variances. If the ratio is greater than 1, the denominator must be smaller. And since the denominator contains variance of T1, so T1 wins. Okay. Now check every option. Come to option number A. Option number A. So this says, then variance of T2 is greater than variance of T1. Therefore, T1 has smaller variance. So hence T1 is more efficient. So definitely correct. Okay. Now come to our option number B. Now suppose E theta T1 by T2, this is less than 1. Then variance of T2 is less than variance of T1. So this means T2 has the smaller variance. So T2, not T1, is more efficient, right? So this is incorrect. Now come to our option number C. Now reverse the efficiency. Okay. So if this is greater than 1, then Variance of T1, this is greater than variance of T2. So therefore T2 is more efficient, but the option says T1 is more efficient, so incorrect. Now come to our option number D. If then variance of T1, this is less than variance of T2. So therefore T1 is more efficient, but the option says T2 is more efficient. So this is incorrect. Okay. So let us derive an important identity here. Similarly, now multiply them. So this is 1. So this reciprocal property is frequently asked in the competitive examinations. Okay, so our final answer was what? Statement number A or option number A. So option number A is the final answer.